Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Universal Time. To begin your adventure, first choose your stand or spec from the character customization screen. This initial choice significantly impacts your gameplay style and available abilities. Next, familiarize yourself with the game's expansive map, seeking out various non-player characters who offer engaging quests. Completing these quests is crucial for earning valuable rewards and progressing through the game's narrative. Mastering combat is key to success in Universal Time. Each stand or spec comes with a distinct set of abilities, typically ranging from 3 to 5 unique skills. Learn to effectively combine your primary attacks with these special powers to defeat enemies. Pay close attention to your ability cooldowns. Timing your attacks and defensive maneuvers correctly can turn the tide of any battle, ensuring your victory against formidable foes. As you play, you will naturally progress by earning experience points and in-game currency. These are vital for strengthening your character. Use your accumulated skill points to upgrade your stand or spec, unlocking new abilities or enhancing existing ones. Furthermore, keep an eye out for powerful items dropped by defeated enemies or found through exploration. Equipping these items can significantly boost your character's statistics, making you even more formidable. Here are a few essential tips to help you thrive in Universal Time. First, consider joining a community or communicating with other players. Cooperation can make challenging content much easier. Second, practice your defensive maneuvers, such as dodging and blocking, to significantly reduce damage taken during combat. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different stands or specs. There are many unique options, and finding the one that best suits your playstyle will greatly enhance your enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.